Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool place value chart. We are working on ordering numbers with a problem related to TEKS 3.2D, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got 5 different cities here in a table, and what we need to do is we need to move these cities into the boxes to order them from greatest to least. So if this were a star problem, we would have a drag and drop, and we would need to build the correct order here. So let's take a look at these 5 cities. They all go to the 10,000s place. So I'm going to build a place value chart, and I'm just going to draw 4 lines. 4 lines is going to give me 5 different spots. And then I'm going to label each spot: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then 10,000s. If you want, you can go ahead and just label the values. It's extremely helpful if you are using expanded notation or expanded form. And I'm just going to put these 5 cities and their values in this place value chart in just the order they give me. I'm not going to try to sort anything yet. I'll use the chart to help me. So I'm going to say Riverdale. Let's go ahead and make that R for Riverdale. 28,540. L for Lakewood. 85,317. Mapleton, M. 28,054. I've got S for Sunridge. 61,409. And then finally P for Pineview. 61,940. It's very important for us to know the order that we need to build these 5 cities. We're going to go from greatest to least. So that is going to be our biggest first, all the way to our smallest. And in case we didn't have those descriptors, you can tell by the way that these inequality symbols, right? So these symbols mean greater than. So each number on the left is greater than the number on the right. So if each one on the left is bigger than the one on the right, as they move to the right, they're going to get smaller and smaller and smaller. So we're going to go from greatest to least, or biggest to smallest. So now that I've got my 5 numbers, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the largest place value. In this case, it's the 10,000s place. They all go to that place, so this is going to be super easy. Sometimes you might have a number that sticks out one way or the other. It might go to the 100,000s place, or it might go to the thousands place. In that case, you would have to think of it differently. But since we go all to the same place value, I'm simply going to look at these digits, 28266. In the 10,000s place, I'm going to look for the largest one. Well, that's easy. That's Lakewood. 8 10,000s or 80,000 is going to be larger than any 20,000 or any 60,000 number. So I don't need to look at anything else because 80,000 is always bigger than 20,000 or 60,000. So then my Lakewood, and I'll go ahead and put an X right there. My Lakewood is going to be first. Now I'm going to look for my next biggest number. I've got 2020 and then 60,000. Okay, so it's not going to be Riverdale or Mapleton. It's going to be the 60,000s. So they're the same. I have to go next door. Okay, 1,000. They're both 61,000. I have to keep going. Now I've got a difference. You see, my 400 is less than my 900, which means I don't have to look at anything else. My Pineview is always going to be bigger because it's got a 9 in the hundreds spots. So I could put my Pineview, and then my Sunridge. So I've only got 2 left, and they both have a 2 in the 10,000s. All right, so let's move to the thousands place. They both have an 8. They both have 28,000. Which one's bigger, the 5 or the 0? Finally, I've got a 5. So my Riverdale has a 5 in the 100 spot. That's bigger than my Mapleton, which is a 0 in the 100 spot. So I don't need to look at anything else. And then I can finish this out with a Mapleton. And now I have built them in order from greatest to least: Lakewood, Pineview, Sunridge, Riverdale, Mapleton. And once I found that one digit that was different, I just kind of ignored anything to the right.